Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookies Lala TV Easy Guide. Preheat the oven to 350 F, then cream butter and sugars until light. Add eggs and vanilla, then mix in dry ingredients until just combined. Chill dough for 30 minutes to prevent spreading. Scoop 1. 5 tablespoon portions onto the sheet and bake for 10 to 12 minutes until edges are golden. Cool on a rack before enjoying warm cookies. Start by bringing butter and eggs to room temperature for smoother mixing and better rise. Cream butter and sugars until pale, then add eggs one at a time to maintain structure. Stir in vanilla, then fold in dry ingredients gently to avoid developing gluten. Add chocolate chips last so they stay intact. Refrigerate the dough briefly to firm it, which helps cookies keep a nice shape while baking and improves flavor. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation. After a kitchen full of baking aromas, Little Tree's black ice gives your car a bold, fresh scent and a laugh when those chocolate crumbs escape. Check the description for the Little Trees link and other deals if you want one. Grab it for your next cookie run. Now let's get back to the video. Aim for slightly underbaked centers to achieve chewy, soft cookies once cooled. Bake at 350 F for about 10 to 12 minutes, depending on oven and cookie size. Rotate your pans halfway to avoid hot spots and ensure even browning. When done, remove from oven and let cookies rest on the baking sheet for 2 minutes to finish cooking, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely while keeping a soft center and crisp edge.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.